Much of the Northeast this morning, it feels more like winter than fall after back-to-back brutal autumn storms caused temperatures to drop and up to 9 inches of snow to fall in some parts of the country. The Weather Channel's Mike Seidel is live for us in one of the hardest hit areas, State College, Pennsylvania. Mike, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Lester. It's hard to believe it's only mid-October. We've had record-setting snow for the month, the earliest we've ever seen measurable snowfall. You mentioned 9 inches, and it's basically been snowing every hour since Thursday afternoon. The leaves are still on the trees, so the issue has been heavy wet snow collecting on the leaves. The trees come down and power outages. Fortunately, Allegheny Power has gotten a lot of homes back on. We were up to over 10,000, now down to about 4,300. That's still about 7% of the customers. Let me take you up to the top of Mount Nittany. That's above here, Happy Valley in Penn State, up around 1,800 feet, where we measured the 9 inches of snow. Temperatures yesterday morning around 30. Roads were shut down because power lines and trees are down. Meanwhile, in Burlington, Connecticut, for the second day in a row, we saw snowflakes, snow on the pumpkins, on the mums. Come on. And snowplows. Who wants to see a snowplow in October? Now, the real problem today here in Happy Valley, it's homecoming for Penn State. They have canceled tailgating, Lester, so that has wiped out 20,000 parking spaces. They're doing that for safety reasons. The ground's not frozen. It's just a muddy mess if they bring all those vehicles in there. So we're all wondering how they're going to get everybody in. They're going to have shuttles, but 20,000 parking spaces go out the window. No tailgating, even on the lots that are paved. So I imagine it's going to be a big festive atmosphere downtown on College Avenue here in Penn State. The game goes off at 3:30 kickoff, and it's going to be the coldest game kickoff temperature in the history of the Nittany Lions. Lester, back to you.
Mike Seidel, pretty scene behind you. If it was December, it's not, though. So how long is this winter?